Okay guys, welcome back to another video. So itutuloy natin ngayon yung walkthrough natin sa Horizon Zero Dawn Remastered. So nasa na ba tayo? Sorry, nawala ako sa sa oras kasi ang alam ko, teka, check ko lang yung quests. Dito. Okay. Nalala ko na. Kakatapos lang natin ng Revenge of the Nora na quest. Na main quest. So, okay. Corrupted Zones na tayo. Kung napapansin nyo, may mga bago tayong weapons. So, off-cam, hindi ko na ni-record. Medyo nag-grind ako ng onte. Tapos, bumili ako ng bagong weapons. Nanghinayang lang ako dito sa Warbow kasi ito yung isa sa mga pinakauna kong biniling weapons. Hindi ko siya masyado nagagamit. Turkey. May kasama ka ba? Walay. Sige, try natin. Layo ah. Okay. Lakas. Tapos frost. Wow. Pa. Boom. Last two. Last one. Uy, handling coil ang taas ng percentage. So yun, bumili na ako nung freeze na bump kasi nahirapan ako pumatay, lalo na nung mas malalakas, mas matataas na level na machines. Parang mali ako nung dinaanan na dapat bumaba ako. Ayun. Sino yun?
Please help me. I need a little help over here. Please.
Kalma lang, oops. Nasa na ako, ayun. Bumili na ako kasi nahirapan ako. Pampadagdag to ng damage. Damage multiplier to eh.
Thank you for saving me. It's humbling.
Yun lang.
Praise all mother. Thank you.
Kala ko pa naman bibigyan mo ako ng side quest. Override na nga tayo para medyo mabilis-bilis. Abot ba? Yan. Lapit ka dito. Lapit. Pwede ko ba ito i-override? Hindi ko maalala. Pwede.
Forsaken village that Maria spoke of. It's in shadows.
Wait. Ang dami. Tatlo. Apat. Game. Wala nang plano-plano. Diretso agad.
Here they come. Corrupted Watchers.
5. Nasaan yung... Uy, tulungan mo ko. Pagka basa-basa. Talagang. Oops. Kaya, tinutulog na. Maraming time, please. Maraming time, please. Isa na lang. Oh, you're safe. What's that?
I've done what I can to cleanse this valley of corruption. Time to see if the Karja Fort will let me pass over the mountains.
Marami naman tayong blaze. Kaya okay lang. Ang tanong, baka na-damage. Hindi naman siguro. Baka kasi na-damage yung... Yoka ba ko? Yoka ba?
Black smoke, red tatters. More bandits like the ones at Devil's Thirst.
Bandit camp ba to? Ah, bandit camp. Problema, baka hindi ba si Neil? Tanong, ay. Level 9. Kaya ko to. Huwag na. Sige, tuloy tayo sa story. Tuloy lang.
Sounds of fighting. Has something attacked the Karja Fort?
Okay.
A
Diyos ko
corruptor.
po may corruptor. Ang dami nila.
Turn back, girl! These machines are dangerous!
Turn back. Hindi mo nga kaya. Watcher. Saan pupunta ang Watcher? Isa-isayin natin. Ay! Ano yung tao? Knockdown. Alam kong namatay yung sa ano ko. Namatay yung broadhead. Yes. Malaman pa. Wala na ako pang hit. Break my please. Makugulit ka na. Yan. Yan. Okay. Walang kasi nila.
Truly, the sun shines upon us this day!
Wasn't the sun risking its ass down here? So, will you open the gate for me now?
You heard her! Open the gates! And send word to Captain Balan! Where you headed, girl?
West! To Meridian!
Open the gates!
The Way of Broken Stones is a hard run, even in the best of times. You might want to have a word with Captain Balan. He came from Meridian not long ago. You find him in the fort. On a balcony to the left overlooking the valley.
Okay, thanks.
We're the ones who should be thanking you for taking down those machines. Walk in light, Nora.
Uy, okay. Check natin. Baka may weapons. Ayan. Sa wakas. Weapon satchel full ba yan? Okay, sige. Shadow Hunter bow. Tapos, sige, Shadow Tripcaster. Yun lang, wala na ako space. Shadow Tripcaster. Equip, dito. Okay na to. So, konting dialogue lang muna tayo. Bago tayo dumiretso ng Meridian.
Captain Ballon, the guard at the gate said you'd been to Meridian recently. What can I expect on the trail?
Nothing good. More machines all the time, and our scouts report corruption that way as well. So much for sealing things off. Keep to the roads. They're safe enough. Though after what you did at the gate, I'll wager you don't scare easy. It's a good quality. I could put it to use, if you don't mind a quick jaunt back east. I know it's bold of me to ask a favor after you just did one, but I can offer you answers in return. If there's anything you need to know about the Sundom.
Kilala mo ba si Olin? Kilala mo ba si Olin?
Did an Oseram named Olin come through here?
Twice. He was part of the royal delegation to the Nora, and they passed through on the way, then back. And they brought back stories of a vicious attack on your people. My condolences, of course.
Do you know where Olin is now?
Not exactly, but he was on his way to Meridian, I'm certain of that. Everyone goes to Meridian.
Is there anything more you can tell me about the road to Meridian?
Sun King Avad has devoted considerable resources to making it safe. But by the Sun's witness, it's been harder to control in peace than it was during the war. The machines grow more dangerous all the time. Add to that bandits and new reports of this corruption. We're stretched thin to protect a few outposts like this one. As for everywhere else, well, travel at your own risk.
Last, yung side quest.
What do you need, Captain?
I sent several patrols east when we got word of corrupted machines there. All of them confirmed my fears, so I sealed the gates. But it looks like we left some men behind when they were closed. Waleed, tell them what happened.
Machines attacked us near an abandoned Nora village, sir. Lakir told us to pull back. Then I lost sight of the others.
Never seen a Nora woman before, soldier? Have some respect. Report to her, not to me.
Lakir always stresses reporting back, so that's what I did. I felt terrible about leaving them behind.
Well, now that the gates are open again, I can send someone after them.
Oo nga, bakit ako?
Can't you send more soldiers to find the missing men? What about Waleed here?
Most Nora still don't take well to the sight of Karja armor. Officially, it's a risk to send patrols so close to your sacred land. I'd prefer not to do that again. But heading that way won't be a problem for you.
Please say yes.
What was that, soldier?
Nothing, sir.
I'll see what I can do about your missing men.
I would be grateful, but not as grateful as Waleed. You hear that, lunkhead? You might be off the hook.
Wala naman tayong choice.
These machines or their shaman's damn nonsense.
Sun King of Ice tried to make up for his father's brutality.
Uy, Snowy.
The world beyond the sacred land.
Ayun na.
I need to find Olin and learn everything he knows. Who the killers were, how they saw me through his focus, who the woman is, the one who looks like me, why they want me dead. Olin's trail leads to Meridian. When I catch him, he will talk. And he will pay for all the lives he's ruined.
Sige, cauldron muna. Isang cauldron lang. Dito sa game na to, ayoko gamitin yung sharp shot mo kasi hindi worth it yung ano. Hindi worth it yung penalty sa handling. Hindi ko ma-justify yung damage. Kaya much prefer ko itong Hunter's Bow. So, itong hardpoint arrow, parang nasa gitna siya nung damage and ano, mas versatile siya gamitin kaysa dun sa ano, sharp shot na arrows. Buti na lang, watchers. Ano ko na? Scrappers. Wait lang. Tapang. Silent strike. Ay, shot. Uy, apat pala. Wait lang. Isa-isa lang, guys. Ano ba yan?
Grab this now.
Ay, shot. Sige, no choice na. Kailangan natin bumaba. Saan? Okay, dun pala.
Looks like I'm not the first to look for a way in. What a waste. They were curious too. But I'm better prepared. I hope it's enough.
Oo, naka-ano tayo. Shadow Tripcaster. Alam nyo guys, medyo OP dito yung Tripcaster. Gawa nung bomb. Uy!
Circular device. What does it do? Looks like things are going my way.
Sayang yung arrows. Ano ba?
Need to find a way through that shell.
Kita ba ako? Kita. Feeling ko dapat di ko muna yung ginawa kasi baka may ibang makapansin. Okay, Ravager. Game. Yung problema sa Ravager kasi yung barrel. Ngayon, ang weakness niya ay please power cell. Pwede ko gamitin to. Pero mas gusto ko lang pagtirayin yung butter. Galing! Ano ba yan? Unti lang. Barrel. Saka barrel. pa. Habang nilalamig ka pa. Last. 1. Hey. Yan. Buti nang may chill water. Isa pang chill water. Frozen bomb. Malapit na pa tayo. Oops, may nakita kong red. Basta't mga watchers lang, walang problem. Next. Okay, sige, 2. Woo! Yan, basta watchers lang, walang problema.
Machines collect blaze from the wilds, and it all flows here, like blood to a heart. So the cauldron runs on life itself.
Isa pa. Okay. Yun. Critical strike. Hindi pwede. Ay! Yung override na machine eh. Uy! Ravager. Okay. Tap it. Yan, buti nga. Critical strike. Boom. Okay, isa na lang. Marami magastos talaga noon. Tripcaster sa blaze. Nasaan yun? Okay, 2 pala. Sorry. Ay, sayang. Huwag kang malikot. Balik ka rito, bumalik ka rito, huwag kang malikot. Huli! Ay, ano ba yan? Yan! Grabe yung talsik ko. Yan ang mga kano. Ay! Winner pa. Bye bye. Tabi yung frame drop. Ayun, ito. Next. Grabe yung tagal pala itong control na. Wala pa ba tayo sa center?
That's where I need to go.
Saan? Ayan. Ano yan? Snap mo. Isada ko pa rin. Yung iba siguro. Naalala ko pa yung pangalan. Crocodile. Crocodile, snap mo. Ngayon. Ano bang ano? Ay, ano? Fire. Okay. Naalala ko dito ang snap mo, ano? Frozen. Yun lang. Frozen. Wala naman siguro nagbabantay, no? Sige, isa. Sige, baba na tayo. Wala nang magagawa yung snap mo hanggang hindi ko pinapakawala. Huli. Sige, prepare muna tayo. Fire na. Tapos may mga blaze siya sa taas. Tapos may freeze. May freeze section. Nakikita ko sana. Magalit ka. Wala kang nagawa. Mag-loot muna ako. Tapos kailangan ko kasi ng ano, pang heal.
I found this.
Kailangan natin ng pang-heal kasi hindi mo alam. Pwede ka ditong ma-one hit. Ma-one hit. Potions ba? Yeah. Sige, at least 5 potions. Ready ka na nga doon. Kunti ng herbs.
Handy.
Patay yung kunti ng herbs. Okay, so natuklasan ko na super lakas nung snap mo tsaka Ravager. Kaya new plan. Tatagtaran ko ng pump caster to para instant death. Kung hindi naman instant death, siguro mga 1/4 lang matira para may manageable. So problema kasi nabenta ko yung rope caster eh. Kaya hindi ko ma-immobilize yung isang machine kung parehas ko sila. Kaya kailangan kong umasa dito sa caster. Sige, try ulit natin to. Sana naman magkaroon ng significant damage. Mahirap talaga pagsabay yung snap mo tsaka Ravager. Kailangan tamaan agad yung Blaze.
This is about to get a lot harder.
Hindi lang nakaharang kasi. Lapit. Okay. Sige, pwede niyan. Konti na lang yan. Sige, hindi pa. Yung pansin ng Ravager. Sige, hindi pa. Hindi pa. Okay, game. Game. Gumalaw pa, sayang yung bala. Okay. Sige, okay pa. Oh, yun. Sige, isa pa. Oh! Wala na akong Blaze. Please, coin ganda.
Forget about traveling light.
Bakit ano? Wala na ba? Okay. Kala ko hindi ko nakuha. Diba? OP yung bomb na tripcaster. Sige, override natin to at bakit tayo sa taas.
That's it. More machines I can override.